Come along with me while I go to Costco trying to find my high protein items so I can get my 90 to 100 grams of protein in a day. This is what's helped me lose 120 pounds. I tried to go in the evening when it would be less crowded. Let's see how I do. When I started at Costco, right at the front, they have a ton of different kinds of protein bars, but I'm pretty picky as to which ones I like. Let me tell you a little tip that I learned early on this health journey of mine. Let me pull out these Quest bars, which I get quite often. You want to add a 0 to the end of the protein gram amount, and that number should always be more than the calories. So let's take a look at these. If there's 21 grams of protein, add a 0 to 10, and that's more than 190 calories, so that's good. The Quest bars are a good choice. However, I didn't buy these today. They're 21 grams. I like them, but I was just wanting something different. Just wanted to show you they have the pure protein bars. I've had those before as well, and they have high protein as well. As you can tell, there's 20 to 21 grams of protein and anywhere from 180 and 200 calories. The Built bars also are present. I didn't spend much time on those because I don't prefer them, but a lot of people do. Kirkland protein bars, they had 2 different flavors. Of course, this is a Costco brand. There are 20 bars in each box. I decided to take a look at this one. There are 10 bars of each flavor. Let's take a look at their nutrition. They're 21 grams. And 190 calories. So again, that's good. I did buy those. They have a lot of protein powder, not a ton of choices, but this Orgain protein powder is a good one. It's 21 grams, $34 for 2 pounds. They have vanilla and I believe just original or plain. I can't remember the flavor. I would love to buy these Fairlife protein drinks, but they're $40 now, but they will go on sale. I was trying to get down to the Premier Protein, but I didn't want to bug these people that were in line. Those are my go-to drinks. I usually try to get them on sale. Costco typically will have strawberry, vanilla, chocolate. I like the vanilla there and the blue because I can mix that with different flavors and do things with it. Just wanted to show you this Core Power drink. It has 26 grams of protein. A lot of people like this as well. And another good snack here is the beef jerky, 14 grams for 1 ounce. $16. Again, I'm not a huge beef jerky fan, but a lot of people are, so I wanted to show you that because I saw it as I was kind of going by. Let me just talk about the magnesium citrate. I know this isn't protein, but I have been taking this from day one on my journey, 250 milligrams, and I usually will buy a big jar of it like this. This provides you with 180 gels for $22.49. It makes me, I don't know, a little regular, I guess. TMI, I know. But when you're eating a lot of protein, you've got to be careful on that. I was so excited to see this Olive Garden dressing. I hadn't purchased it in a long time. On sale, $6.99 for 3 bottles. I love to marinate chicken breast in this and also use it on salads. It's so good. Carb Balanced tortillas are one of my favorites. They also have 6 grams of protein in each tortilla, and the price at Costco can't be beat. Again, this is my Costco. Yours might be different, but it's $6.39 for 2 packages. In a normal grocery store, that's usually the price for 1 package. So I think that's a really good deal. And here are the nutritional facts. Again, 6 grams of protein, not bad for a tortilla. And I do like them. They taste pretty yummy for breakfast burritos, tacos, whatever you might like. A lot of people like Dave's Killer Bread, so I wanted to show that. It's 4 grams of protein per slice, $9.59 for 2 loaves. I, again, don't purchase Dave's Killer Bread. I don't know why, but I know a lot of people love it, so I wanted to show you this. Okay, do not sleep on tuna if you need to get high protein. I like these cans just because I like the albacore tuna. 42 grams of protein in 1 can. They do have the chicken of the sea tuna, which is 36 grams per can. You can't go wrong if you like tuna because that's going to satisfy a large portion of your protein goal per day. Moving on to the Kirkland canned chicken, this is really good too. 13 grams for 2 ounces, and 1 can has 7 ounces. You can do a lot with a different chicken breast in here, so I just wanted to mention this, similar to the tuna. This does not have a lot of protein, but I like these for a sweet treat, the Unreal bars. Don't know if you're familiar with these or not. I found them when I was at someone's house. They're small little dark chocolate bars. People said they taste like Mounds. I think that's going a little far, but they are sweet and they're similar to a Mounds bar and they just kind of satisfy my sweet tooth. I had to mention cottage cheese. This was later in the day. It looked like the cottage cheese had been blown out, but you can't go wrong with cottage cheese when you're trying to find high protein items. 12 grams for half a cup. My gosh, you could eat 1 cup and have 24 grams. They have all sorts of yogurt. This is a really popular yogurt because it has 15 grams of protein per 1 little container. It was on sale that day, so I wanted to show you that. Anytime I'm at Costco, I always pick up one of the Greek yogurts here. It's a great deal. 18 grams of protein for 2/3 of a cup. I usually always double that. I'm having 36 grams and $7.49 a tub. Great price. I always like to pick up this little block of cheese. It's so good. I'll shred it. I'll put it in eggs. I'll put it on a salad. I just use it for a lot of different things. And it's 6 grams of protein for just 1 ounce of cheese. This whole chicken nugget thing could have a whole video just on its own. These are the Just Bare chicken nuggets. If you haven't tried them, you have to. I heard they tasted like Chick-fil-A, and they do. 16 grams for 3 ounces. Now, this is a $17.99 bag, but guess what Kirkland did? They came out with their own. Same nutritional component, $15.99 for a 4-pound bag, 16 grams per 3 ounces. These are good as well. For $2 less, you can use the Kirkland, but both of these go on sale quite a bit, so I just wanted to tell you about that. Highly recommend them. Kirkland, and I believe Just Bare, has also the chicken breast itself, which is really yummy. Okay, chicken teriyaki bowls. All right, this is kind of high in calories, but I love it. We just had these the other night for dinner. We didn't want to cook. So it's 470 calories, but it is so filling and it's huge. 27 grams of protein. Yummy, yummy. It's rice and chicken and veggies. The Jones chicken sausage, super popular. 10 grams for 3 links. I didn't get the price on this, I'm sorry, but very popular as well. Love it because let's say you're having eggs and you can add that sausage and your protein goes way up. These were on sale, the Egg Witch. I have tried these. A lot of people love them. I'm not a fan. I kind of like a real muffin, but the eggs are the muffin, so to speak. So you might want to give these a try because they're 15 grams for 1 Egg Witch. That's pretty good. And it was a good price. Jimmy Dean Delight, 16 grams per muffin. Now these do have the muffin. You have to like egg whites there because it has a sausage patty, egg white, and cheese, but really easy for breakfast item. Just wanted to mention, don't again forget fish here. They have the shrimp, they have sea scallops. Those are great for high protein. And I always pick up a bag of the veggies, the frozen veggies, because this is usually where I get veggies and fruit. I wanted to show these because I used to buy these all the time and I haven't in a long time. The mini wontons are really good and they're 7 grams for 8 pieces. So let's say you had 14 grams and easy to use, easy to cook. You have a lot of different options there. And $9.99, not bad at all. Just wanted to show you these because these are pretty popular as well. I picked up another sweet treat. I always try to buy these 100 calories for the Healthy Choice bars. I live in Arizona, so my biggest test is trying to get them home before they melt, but I do have a cooler in one of my cars. I just have to be in the right car. But 100 calories, not bad at all, just when you want to end the day with something sweet. I really decided to pick these up. A guy was buying them and it caught my eye, the 3-berry blend. These are going to go in my Greek yogurt. These are going to go in smoothies just to add some flavor. And of course, these berries are good for me as well. Not bad at all, of course, with calories. And they even had a smoothie recipe on there that sounded really good to me. So I just wanted to show you that. A lot of people like the rice cauliflower. Again, I'm not one of those people, but I wanted to show you that. Oranges, man, I love oranges and I love these because they have the really thick skin, which are easy to peel and they're very sweet. I couldn't find them at all last year anywhere, but now I am finding them more at Costco, Sam's Club, so I always try to buy a bag. I always try to get strawberries as well. I didn't need them this trip. Here's a rotisserie chicken that's already been hand pulled for you. I always think it looks gross, but it is easy at least. You can use this chicken for almost anything, of course, and really high protein, 20 grams of protein for 3 ounces. It's $15.99 a package where I live. And again, it looks kind of gross, but it's good. And of course, the rotisserie chickens, that's their loss leader, $4.99. It was packed around here. You can't tell that. I had to try to get the photo at least. I couldn't even do a video. I just had to grab a quick photo. Okay, I have to mention the sliced sirloin. I absolutely love this. I bought it one time when it was cheaper, $13.99. I thought, oh, $13.99 for the whole thing. It's $13.99 per pound. It does go on sale. I learned the hard way, but it's 19 grams for 3 ounces. I can easily have 6 ounces of this, and it's 38 grams of protein. It's already cooked. You can do a number of things with it. Highly recommend. String cheese is a great snack, or just like a little side, maybe for lunch. 7 grams per stick, and in this bag there were 60 sticks. So I always grab string cheese no matter what. Okay, hear me out on this. Panera mac and cheese. It is so good. It was on sale for $7.99, so I had to buy it. There were only 2 containers in there. It's high in calories, but it's high in protein. 1 container has a lot of protein. 1 cup is 19 grams, and I can't even eat one of those containers. I mean, I guess they're saying there are 3 in 1 container, but 3 cups, but it's so good. Just try it out. The mozzarella cheese balls, I always grab these. I put them in salads, or they're a great snack. 5 grams for 1 ounce. You can't beat it, and it's just a really good thing to have on hand. I know when I eat these as a snack, I'm really full right away, and I can have 2 ounces for 10 grams of protein when I need to make that, 90 or 100 gram goal. I love these chicken skewers. I think they're so flavorful. They are going up in price, $17.39. I would do it without those skewers in there. They're so good. These are so easy to have. The chicken bites are 24 grams of protein in 1 little container and 1 package. There are 10 packages in there. I'll eat them as a snack or put them on a salad, put them in a wrap. It's already cooked for you. I mean, how easy can it be? I do like the chicken skewers better, but I wanted to mention the steak bites because I was so excited that these came out. I don't like them. I think they're kind of dry. Amy Lou, that's a really popular brand. These are so good. They're chicken burgers, and the flavor is just there, let me tell you. 19 grams per burger. Highly recommend these. Easy to make. Can you see a theme here? So easy. You just can warm it up. And Amy Lou also makes some chicken breakfast links. People love these as well. There are a ton in this package, I have to tell you. It took us forever to go through it, but 3 links are 1 serving. And breakfast bites, I have some of these in our freezer right now. 14 grams for 6 bites. You can't beat that. I didn't get the price, I'm sorry, but it is in our freezer, so I know it's not outrageously priced. I just had to mention these Grillo's pickles. I don't know if you have them in your area. These are great if you just want a little crunch as a side. Of course, they're not high protein. Wanted to mention avocados are always great for you as well. I run a weight loss group here in my neighborhood, and a woman in there just loves this salmon at Costco. It's really nice for protein. She just bakes it, said it's yummy, so I wanted to mention that. There are all sorts of chicken breast in Costco. These are packages in 3, and it's 26 grams for 3 ounces. I live on chicken breast, I think. It's $2.99 a pound where I live. Of course, you can get organic for a little bit more. I believe we'll see it here in a second for $5.99 a pound. But chicken breast, what else can I say? You can do so much with chicken breast. And I wanted to mention again the organic because I know some people really prefer that. There are also chicken thighs, which you'll see here in a second. Again, chicken is my go-to for most everything, and I will use chicken thighs occasionally for more flavor. Here they are. They're $1.49 a pound. So there you have it. That's my Costco haul. If you like this, please subscribe or hit the like button. I really appreciate it. Comment below and let me know what your protein favorites are. I will have links in the description for those of you who don't have access to a Costco. I'm going to try to find similar items in other stores such as Walmart or Amazon. As always, thanks for being here. And remember, it's never too late to create a life that you love.